Here we are, cabin C403, Caribe deck, cabin 403. It's got my name on there. And now, put in my card. And we go in. And as you can see, you got a full-length mirror here. This is the closet. You know, so there's a lot of room in the closet. I'm just a solo traveler, so I even have room for my luggage in here. And then you've also got this space for storing things, including the safe. Bathroom is in here. Watch your step. You have to step up to come in. You see plenty of room. I have a lot of medication, so plenty of room there. Plus we have room down below the sink. The only thing I'm not real thrilled about is the size of the shower. It'd be nice if there was a shelf or something you could put your foot up on. You can't bend over because it's so narrow. But it has two settings on the shower head, one for spray and one for pulsing. Plenty of mirrors. And this is the princess robe you can request. It's really soft, really comfortable. This is, as you can see by this, I'm in muster station C on deck 7. The Explorers, wheelhouse bar, Sabatini's, photo gallery. A lot of information there. You also have this little card that you can put in for privacy or to have your room refreshed right away. It has a secure lock that you can lock for added protection. You can do like I do, bring magnets for the wall and hang things from. You can see there's a table, trash can, 2 end tables with 2 drawers each plus room underneath. And then we have a large screen TV with hair dryer, and typical of the staterooms, you need to make sure you have something with extra outlets so you can plug in all your necessary things. You can see the desk is quite large, plenty of room, even has some shelves to the side. And here is the refrigerator. Mine doesn't work, but I've been after them for a couple days now trying to get it fixed. But you can see with the mirror you have more depth to the room with the mirror, so they've got them set up. The bed is extremely comfortable. Some people complain that it's a little too soft for them, but I think it's perfect. The comforter is nice and warm, and the pillows are nice, they're perfect, so everything is really nice in here. And that's pretty much it for C403.